All right, guys, so we're in approaching our third week. The vines are doing great. This one here is about maybe 18 inches above ground. And if you recall, we went 18 inches below grade. So things are looking pretty promising here. There's the other one. That one's a little bit shorter, but it's coming. So take you around the other side. So as I mentioned in my update video, we did lose 2 vines, but not a big deal. Overall, we have success. There's that one. There's that one. This is the one that we lost. Maybe it dried out, or not too sure exactly what went wrong, but so we're gonna try to get our reimbursement there. I'll give you an update. We did everything that was required by the supplier, so they should honor their warranty. That one's coming. This one's also coming. Same here. Same there. And this is our other one that did not make it. It still looks the same as it did when we planted it. Finally, we have this guy. And I do have another that I planted back here that are also thriving, which is this guy. And that one there is almost 2 feet tall. You can see the vine. So that one's doing great. Then we have another one over here, which is coming along. And I did have one extra that I didn't have any room to plant in the ground, so we did put it inside of a pot. But that one obviously didn't get dug out as deep as it needed to, but it's still growing. So that is the update. We're about, I think today's date is the 14th of June. So we are approaching summer, and we don't expect these to start producing any grapes this year, because this is the first year that they're planted. But hopefully by next year we will start seeing some grapes growing. So we will be continuing to give you updates here. So we'll see you on the next one.